Transformation, vertical stretch, part 1. So in this question, on the upper left-hand corner, I've labeled the steps to approach these questions. And first, we need to find a general formula. In here, we need to transform cos x to a half of cos x. And the function would be cos x. So the general formula would be a and f of x, where a is the half in here. And since it is a half, so that means a is between 0 and 1. And we know that every time when we get a is between 0 and 1, we get a vertical compression. Vertical compression means that the graph will shrink a little bit. It'll get shorter, compressed. So step 2, label the important points. So first, I will label the invariants, and it will be the ones that are on the y-axis. Sorry, on the x-axis, y. Because the y coordinate in the x-axis is 0. So, for example, 3 pi over 2, 0. I'll just pick 2 points, one negative and one positive. So the other one would be negative pi over 2 and 0. If we are applying a vertical stretch, only the y matters. The y coordinate matters. And in here, if I times the 0 by a half, I still get a 0. So those will be our invariant points, the ones in green. So the only points that will change would be the max and mins. So the one in the middle would be at the origin, 0 and 1. Let's just pick 3 points. 1 from the negative, so negative 2x and a 1. And let's say pi and negative 1. So let me write it out. We have this. You can pick any points that you want. You don't really need to use the ones that I have selected, but I think these points are easy to see. So now we will apply the vertical stretch, which is a half, in the y coordinate. So we times a half. Here, we times multiply a half, and we get a half. And then if it is negative 1, then it's negative a half. So to be more clear, I will highlight the ones that have changed. There you go. And we can plot it now. So everything becomes a half, and then negative a half. And we can trace this up. The hardest part for me. So it goes through the invariant points, and then a new point, invariant, and a new points. We're done. Here's the yo-yo, and have fun.